all been bombarded with self-improvement advice, the productivity hacks, the morning routines, the success blueprints. But here's the harsh truth. Most of it fails because it ignores the battlefield raging inside your mind. You can't build a skyscraper on a cracked foundation. True self-improvement isn't about adding more. It's about subtracting what's holding you back. It's about self-destruction before construction. Now hold on. Self-destruction isn't about chaos or self-sabotage. It's about strategically dismantling the loser identity that whispers doubts in your ear. It's the voice that says, you're not good enough, you'll always fail, or don't even try. These limiting beliefs are insidious. They undermine your efforts before you even start. So self-destruction is the process of systematically demolishing that inner critic, brick by brick. We all have them. The fear of public speaking, the fear of failure, the fear of stepping outside our comfort zone. These fears act like invisible chains, keeping us tethered to mediocrity. The key is to confront them head-on. Ask yourself, what am I most afraid of? Then take action, even if it's a small step. Join that public speaking group. Draft that business plan, even if it's on a napkin. It's not about being reckless, but about calculated courage. Here's the distinction. Self-improvement often focuses on acquiring new skills, like learning to swim. But self-destruction targets something deeper, your identity. Imagine two boxers. One trains technique, the other jumps into the ring with a pro. The second boxer will get beaten, yes, but they're also confronting their fear of getting hit, of being knocked down. This is self-destruction is uncomfortable, but it erodes that fearful self-image at its core. Why is this self-destruction crucial? Because it creates space for genuine growth. Think of your negative self-talk as an overflowing trash can. You can't fill it with positivity until you've taken out the garbage. Self-destruction clears the path for new habits, a growth mindset, and real progress. Self-destruction isn't just about getting good, it's about feeling good. Each time you confront a fear, you chip away at those limiting beliefs. Hey, I survived that presentation. Wow, I actually made progress on that project. These small wins build massive confidence. You begin to feel capable, empowered, and ready for anything. Suddenly, self-improvement isn't a chore, it's an exciting journey. So before you chase the next productivity trend, take time for self-destruction. Face your fears, dismantle your negative self-image, and create space for the incredible person you're meant to be. Grab your metaphorical sledgehammer and start breaking down those walls. The foundation for a truly fulfilling life is waiting to be built. If you're serious about self-improvement, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this.